Hello, my friends. We have some more Spectrum Noir Yummy Yummies. Let me tell you, are you ready? We have some fun things today. First, we have 4 new sets of tricolor aqua markers. Now, if you are not familiar with the aqua markers, you need to go check out some of my videos because they are so luscious and yummy. They're a little different than the tri blends because these use water if you want. Now, lots of fun colors here. This one, now keep in mind when it says 3 pens, that really means 9 colors. 9 colors. Can you believe it? So this one is called, I don't even see the name. Color Basics. And it has 9 different colors. I'm not going to go through all the colors, but it has a lot of, this one has a lot of browns. This one is called Essential Neutrals. It has grays and it has browns, tans. This one has some fun, deeper colors. These 2 are more my favorite. Let's see. This one is called Great Outdoors and this one's called Floral Meadows. I wonder why. Look at those gorgeous colors. So we got some pinks in there, we got some greens, we got a little orange, we got some greens and blues and purples over here. Totally gorgeous. Oh, I'm gonna have fun playing with these. And I'll be honest, this is the honest truth. The other day when I was doing an aqua color video, I didn't have enough colors. I have some back here, but I didn't have enough colors to do what I wanted to do. So I had to get these on my website so I could use them. So now I can. Now, also from Crafters Companion is more glitter paste. So now we have Holly and Ivy green, Silver Bells silver, and Fairy Lights gold. Beautiful, beautiful colors, exclusive to us for a little while, so you can only get these here. So yummy. And they go perfect with our red, white, and blue that we just released. Now, the last item I have to share with you today brings me back to my childhood because when I was a little girl, I used to have a little stationery set so I could write my thank you notes to my grandma because my grandma lived in Montana and my aunt in Montana, that you didn't need to put it in an envelope because it folded closed. So it was like a card that folded closed. So this is called the A2 foldover. And what does it mean? It means that it's a card that doesn't need an envelope. But look at that. My friend, you are amazing. Isn't that awesome? Now, could you use an envelope if you wanted? Absolutely. But when I was a little girl, we would put a sticker here and 2 stickers here and you could mail it. Isn't that fun? But there's lots of other things you could do with it too. My team went crazy. It's awesome. So you could do it like this, right? You could do it like this. Dun, 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 dun. Open it up. Open it up. Gorgeous, right? So it has that extra layer of fun, even a little note here to write on the back. Or you could do it this way. My friend, open it up that way. You are amazing. It comes with the dies. You are amazing. And my friend, and this fun flower border and those extra flowers there. Here's another one, making it almost like a gatefold, opening it like this, and there's your message. But remember, it's kind of like its own envelope too, which is kind of cool. I love it. Here's another one, my friend, and it's holding it closed, and then you can open it up like that. I'm so lucky to be your friend. Isn't that cute? Here's another one. Look at this. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. Open. Oh, this one's Velcroed. Open it up. Oh, I love orange and pink together. You are amazing, my friend. Isn't that fun? So you could say, my friend, you are amazing, or you're amazing, my friend, or not use them at all, or use them somewhere else, right? And here's another one, absolutely gorgeous. This one's tied, and oh my goodness, Dina, do you think I can actually untie this on camera? Let's see. Dina tied it. Dina made this one. Let's see. Oh, got it. There we go. So we're gonna open this up, dun, 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 and we have our, oh, this one goes this way. So we're gonna open it this way, dun, 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 my friend. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, club members, I hope by now you know the deal, right? 15 to 20% off the entire website, including Crafters Companion items, including the pens, including the dies, the stamps, the Totally Tiffany organization, the die cut machines, the cutting pads, the adhesive, you name it, it's all on sale every single day. 15 to 20% off for my club members, because it's called the club member discount. Now, if you have not subscribed to one of our kits, you need to check us out. because they are pretty amazing, and you get that discount on every single order as long as you're a subscriber, and you get club points, and on your anniversary, if you stay in a full year, you get a $15 to $25 gift card to our website depending on which club you're in. I'm telling you, it's pretty amazing. You need to go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club, and just watch that video, because you know what? The hardest part about it after you watch it is, which one should you join? Maybe all of them. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye. thank you so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.